Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the launch of the new SD1 Automated Intelligent Micro-dispenser designed by NSW Automation.
We are gathered here today, both present and virtual, to witness the launch of SD1, our solder dispensing system. SD1 will become one of our flagship, okay? And it is one of the highest accuracy and precision with better throughput at a smaller footprint. We are proud to announce this launch, our outstanding SD1 to the world.
3, 2, 1, ready! This is the new SD1 Intelligent Micro-dispenser designed by NSW Automation.